Welcome to the 31st installment of Quest, Mythos. Let's explore the features and tonality this set has to offer. The Mythos Black and White preset collection is an invitation to embark on a creative journey where the boundaries between imagination and reality blur. These presets encourage us to explore the depths of our creativity and craft rich, timeless stories within our images. Mythos 01, neutral tone black and white with a modern, contrasty dynamic. Mythos 02, soft black and white with a broad grayscale and subtle green cast. Mythos 03, rich contrasty black and white with a syrupy, warm tonality. Mythos 04, heavily muted black and white preset that provides a dose of nostalgia. The black and white filters replicate the dynamics achieved using black and white lens filters. Use these 4 presets with the preset amount slider to shape the black and white conversion. The low mist tools offer 3 variations of a rolling mist-like effect that applies to the background of your photo. Move and adjust the intensity in Lightroom's masking panel. Along with a few other effects, the Mythos border adds a gritty tintype style border, complete with dust and scratches.